Yes, this is your man Nee Tete Boy. Today we're going to study how to hit tone and bass on these three drums, these three type of drums, bass, tone and bass. Yeah, tone and bass. And in my previous video, if you have not subscribed and this is your first time, subscribe so you can follow the videos and we can learn more. In my previous video, I did only the pan logo. This is Kpanlogo, Conga and Djembe. Kpanlogo, Conga, Djembe. And you can hear the sound. Djembe is the highest sound, and next and the last. So we will learn how to hit the tone and the bass on these three. And the secret is nothing changes. It's the same. The way you hit the pan logo is the same you're going to hit the conga and the djembe. Nothing changes. Yeah. So hitting the pan logo or playing tone on pan logo is from here to this side. So this side of your palm will touch the edge of the drum. It will touch the edge. It will be at the edge of the drum. It will be at the edge of the drum. So let's try on pan logo. And you have to make sure you hit with this side of your fingers once. You are not going to be like this and hit. You just have to be straight and hit the drum. And make sure you don't open your fingers, close your fingers. Yeah. This is what you want. Yes. Let's try the conga. So the conga goes nothing changed. It's the same palm and the same style, same technique you're going to have. We come. Yeah. So next, let's go to the djembe. It's the same, the way you hit the pan logo is the same you transfer to the djembe. It's the same. Nothing changed. So this is just the secret behind it. Some people thinks each drums have the way of playing the sound, but that's not true. The only mistake that you make is you open your palms on all the drums. That's the mistake. If you close your fingers, then everything will be the same. The technique is the same. You make sure you don't open your palms, because immediately you open your fingers, your sound will sound bad on some of the drums and sound kind of good on some drums. But you don't want that. You want to sound good on all and any kind of palm drum that you come across. So That's the secret. Keep it, and don't repeat your mistakes. Get your fingers close, and from here to there, you make sure this side will be at the edge, and make sure you hit one time. Okay, you hit one time, and that's how you get your. That's the tone. Okay, let's go to the bass. As I said, the bass too is the same. Nothing changed unless you repeat that mistakes. This my palm. It doesn't matter how big, small your palm is. That's your palm. That's your palm. So nothing will change. You make sure your fingers are still close, and naturally you just straight on the drum. That's the middle of the drum. So you get the middle of the drum. That's the bass. We go. Sorry. And the same technique you go on the djembe. The same, nothing changed. Nothing changed. And the same you go on the conga, the middle, and these three drums, the bass is at the middle. So you make sure you hit the middle. Yeah. Nothing changed. Then sometimes you'll be playing 3 or 2 congas. One, you're going to raise it, that's the middle, and one is going to just sit like that. So you still can hit the middle, and this is the sound you're going to get. If you slightly raise the bottom, that's you're going to get the bass like that. Yes. So this is the secret. This is the secret. It's nothing big deal. It's just that you have to know. Yeah, it's better than you don't know. So that's the secret. Make sure you close your fingers. Yeah, you make sure you close your fingers, and that's it. You get it. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back again. If you are new to this, subscribe. There are a lot of videos that I've put up there, and there are more videos that are coming. Peace.